Hello everyone. This is going to be the last topic of our this chapter, and we are going to discuss here limit operator. Limit operator is used to restrict the number of records written by your query. Let's say if you want to have limited number of records in your results, then you use the limit operator. So when it's useful for displaying results in smaller and manageable chunks. Let's see the syntax for this using example. This is again your employee table. You have IDs, names, department ID, and salaries. Your syntax is you are selecting all columns from your employee table, this is your employees table, and you are saying limit 3. You are just asking to show only 3 records. Now it will show only first 3 records. That's gonna be all for this limit operator, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.